Welcome back to this channel. This is Rabia, your favorite YouTuber. No, I'm just kidding. So today we are going to learn how to change the color of the sky. You will need to go to Image, Adjustments, and you're gonna select Channel Mixer. So what it does, it tells you the reds, greens, and blue, and you can play around with it. How it works is if you select blue, you can decrease the blue color and all the blue pixels are gonna be out of the page. And if you click red and you take out the red like this, if you go to the green, you will be able to take out all the green if you drag it to the left side. So this is how I have achieved this look. I'm gonna increase the redness. Whenever you're trying to increase or decrease a color, make sure the specific color is selected so you'll be able to increase and decrease. But if you try to increase the red when you're in the green, it's gonna mess up. It's not gonna work. Since this photo has a shadowy looking foreground and it's completely black, it's not gonna work on this photo. This is completely gonna change the entire photo if you try to do this. So let's say I have this photo, it's gonna entirely apply on the photo like this, whatever you're trying to do. So this is how you can always put a filter effect on the entire photo. But if you're trying to reach just the sky, then you're gonna have to select all of the land and right click, select inverse. So now the sky is selected. Now you can go to Image, Adjustments, and where did that go? Channel Mixer. And you can now play with the background however you like. So in this one, I go to the green. I don't like that. Let's go to the blue one. Yeah, kind of like an orangey effect. Okay, I think I like this. I know this photo looks a little bit odd and not color corrected, but if you guys want to learn how to color correct this photo, you can go to my channel and I have a separate video called how to color correct stubborn photo easily. And if you want to learn how to change the background color, you can also, there's a technique, you can eliminate the sky and change and put another photo behind it. So this is how you can change the sky color even though your foreground is not entirely shadowed. But in this one it was easy because the red, blue, and green channels don't affect the black. So these are the techniques that you can try. Please subscribe to this channel if you are new. Like this video and please share it with your friends. Try it out yourself and see how it goes. If you have any questions, you can visit my website. You can go to my design tab and then see all of my designs. I have made some brochures and 2-page spreads and postcards, so explore a little. And then if you want to reach out to me, contact me via my website, or you can go to my Instagram, rabia.design, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.